What is up, guys? And this is Power T, and I am on my brother's dirt bike, and I'm just gonna be riding around. Let's get this thing should hit a top speed of 40 miles per hour, and so it's such a good bike. It's a Honda 110, pretty fast. And the price is around like $2,000. It has suspension, of course, great brakes, and pretty cool. Oh, I'm gonna take it easy on the jump. Oh. Good with the jumps. So, yeah, I will be getting an electric dirt bike pretty soon. So that's good. And I will cook the dirt bike. So it's called the Electronico. Oh, River Sport. I should have hit that. And this thing will gas some e-bikes. Yeah, like a Yasma, a Tudio. This thing is fast. The Yasma might be quicker, like on the jump, but this is raw speed. Like, look how quick this is. I know there's no speed, but I do have my phone on me for the speed test. I'll be putting the speed thing in my pocket, so we're good. I'm gonna be testing how fast it is, and this is pretty. The biggest, but it's really big though. I want to be going as far as I can. 3, 2, 1. Woo! Hold up, I might have to redo that one. Hold on, I'm gonna have to reset my settings. Okay, on accident I did not reset anything, so I'm going to be going again with it. So, this is crazy. Sorry for the wait, guys. I'm going to actually try for you guys with this speed test. 3, 2, 1. So fast. Okay, let's see the speed. So on the thing we got 32. That's pretty fast. And that is not really long. And yep, that will be it for today's video. Thank you all for watching, and I have to say, like and subscribe and stay tuned!